Okay, so the reason we put the actuators to park on all the way down, it's because when we turn them off the power, we don't want them to drop, because the whole ring, these actuators can back drive the motor so they can drop down. So, but there's some people that don't have the screen mounted on the ring like this one. Could be something studding. So in that case you may want to use the computer without being all the way down, have it like normal height. So in that case, let's see, I have it powered here. You can move it up a little bit with the buttons where you want to keep it, right? And then just press the e-stop, and that should hold it there. Of course, if you have the e-stop set to hold the power on, not kill the power. So it's gonna sit a little higher, and it doesn't actually burn that much power. Right now it's only about 34 watts, which is almost how much your phone takes to charge its battery. So a day, even if I climb on it, that won't change much. 50 watts, 49, it drops now. It does a little movement, so as long as you don't move, it won't change. It will settle down back to about 40 watts. Yeah, those actuators consume power mostly when they move. Otherwise, the heat screw will keep the power there. So when you're done using the ring like this, you can just release the stop. It should go down the park as normally. But yeah, see, that's when it's completely parked down. It's about the same, 40 watts. All right.